Hey guys, I'm Harshit Kumar. This is the beginning of day 6. So yeah, yesterday was good. I was able to complete my 15-hour task. But I am making some changes in that now. I said that I will be sleeping for 6 hours, but I don't think it will be possible now. So yeah, I will be sleeping for 5 hours. And actually from the last, 5 days I have been sleeping only for 5 hours. I mean, I planned to sleep for 6, but it was already always 5. So yeah, I go to sleep at 11:30 and I wake up at 4:30. So yeah, that I have to do. So today I am not planning of doing 15 hour. I mean, yeah, if I won't be forcing myself to do 15. I will try to keep it above 12. So it will be fine. 12 is fine, 13 is fine, 14 is fine. It might even reach 15. I am not sure, but yeah, I will not be forcefully doing that. So I was actually feeling little pain in my legs. That might be because of sleep. So yeah, today I am planning of completing 4 chapters. One of them in maths, it's conic section, and I will be focusing most of my day in conic section because I have not revised it till now ever. So yeah, I have never revised conic section, not before JEE mains, not before anything. So it will take me some time, and I will be practicing more question of conic sections. So it will take time. Apart from that, I will be completing quantitative analysis part 2. That is that cation one. So anion one I did previously. I will do cation one, and then in physics I will be doing fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics is a small chapter. So yeah, less theory, less questions. I mean, yeah, less theory, less questions. And then in chemistry I will be doing isomerism. So yeah, isomerism, that's decent chapter with some theory, and I think I will be able to find some questions. So yeah, the target is same. These chapters, almost 13 hours study, and I'm forgetting one thing, and 100 questions. Yeah, do focus on questions. I won't be keeping this video long. So yeah, that's it. Bye.